2023 is the year of AI. You can generate text, images, heck, even videos in just seconds. In today's video, I'll show you what ChatGPT is and how you can use it as a beginner. ChatGPT is a virtual AI assistant that can help you answer your questions and provide you insights in some various different topics. All right, so how do we actually use it? Simply go to chat.openai.com or the link down in the description below. Once you're on the website, all you have to do is just go to sign up over here and make an account. It's super simple. All you have to do is put your email, your password, and once you do that, log in and you will see a new window. So once you're logged in, you will see this window right here. First of all, enable dark mode for the love of God. I don't know who would want to use light mode and ruin their eyes, so please use dark mode, save your eyes. And over here, you have all these different things you can ask the AI. So what you can do is simply ask, what is the Earth's distance to sun, for example? And you can just wait. And after a few seconds, the AI will answer your question. All right, so as you can see, we got the answer right here. The Earth's average distance from the sun is about 93 million miles. And if we fact check that, that is actually correct. So as you can see, you can ask this AI pretty much anything and everything. It can even do code for you. So if you want to code something and you have questions, literally ask it whatever you want. For example, you can say, write me a YouTube intro on a topic of, I don't know, ChatGPT, and wait a few seconds and it will literally give you the answer right here. It will give you a YouTube intro right here. So as you can see right now, this ChatGPT is free. In the future, it might be paid. We don't know that yet. It's using a lot of resources. It is very expensive to run this server and to run this AI. So I'm guessing it will be paid in the future. Right now you have this plus. So if you click on the bottom left, you click on plus, there are, plans. You have the free plan and the plus plan, which is $20 a month. The free plan works when the demand is low. It has the standard response speed and the regular model updates. The pro will obviously be faster and, it will be available whenever you want. Right now, the demand is very high because everyone is using this ChatGPT AI. If you want to use it as well, just use it in the morning or in the afternoon when all the other time zones are asleep and there is not a lot of people using the software. So as you can see, it gave us this YouTube intro and pretty much, welcome to ChatGPT, your personal guide to all things. I like this text right here, but I want to have it in a conversational tone. So let's just say, write or summarize this in a conversational tone. And it will literally summarize this whole text. And it will say it in a conversational tone right here. Hey there, welcome to ChatGPT, where we've got you covered when it comes to all things knowledge related. See how much better that is than this first text? You can use this to do anything and everything. This thing is so crazy, and I cannot believe that a lot of people still don't know that this even exists. You should definitely use this. This is ChatGPT for you. As you can see, this can do pretty crazy things if you feed it the right prompts and the right questions. If you want me to make an advanced guide or just continue with this AI videos, make sure to drop a like and comment down below what you would like to see next. I have a lot of stuff planned out for this AI and what kind of software and what kind of tools you should be using in the future. If you haven't already, make sure to check my mid-journey guide as well. As a beginner, you can generate some crazy images using AI as well over there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.